guys, frndly with CFL-TECH. I'm on the Fubo Help Center page here with an update. Now, maybe you have heard or haven't heard about the changes coming about here next month. So this is something to be prepared for if you have an older device that may not run the updated Fubo app that is rolling out here in the next coming weeks here. So this is something to be aware of. So let's take a look at what we have here. Now, why is Fubo no longer supported on my device? So it's saying here, to ensure the best possible streaming experience, we regularly update the Fubo app to improve performance and access to premium features. We also rely on our device partners to provide necessary updates that ensure compatibility with these improvements. So what devices are no longer supported? Older Amazon Fire TV and Android mobile and TV devices that cannot update to Android OS 7.0, that's Nougat, will no longer be able to support the Fubo app. If you see a banner message in your Fubo app regarding this, it's because your device cannot update to the minimum operating system version required to reliably support the Fubo app. You will also receive a communication from Fubo via email regarding this change. So they're making improvements to the app. The software is getting a little more sophisticated. It's requiring a little more to run it. It's offering more now as we get in time with technology here. More AI possibly, we don't know, but they're requiring more now. Those older devices are not able to run this now as the software becomes a little more advanced. And this is what you see with older hardware, just with any device, whether it's your phone. Sometimes it comes to an end of life cycle where the software now, the newer versions, the old hardware just cannot run it any longer. And we're starting to see that now with this Fubo update that's coming out here real soon. Now they're saying, when will the Fubo end support for my device? When will this end? Fubo app will continue to function on your device until February 5, 2025. At this time, we will force an update to the most recent version of the Fubo app, which your device will be unable to support. From that point on, you will receive an error message when launching the Fubo app on your device. So it'll be very clear that you are not able to run the new version. It'll be obvious, and at least you'll know that. There will be no guesswork, but you'll need to check for an OS update. That's what you can do if your device has been inactive or you have disabled automatic updates. You may not have received an update to the latest OS version for your device. So that is a possibility, but if you have been updating it up to this point and you get that message, there's a good chance that device will no longer work. Now, use the links below for instructions to check for updates on your device. Now, this will be linked down below like we link every media news story, every streaming story on the channel. So check that out. Also, if your device is up to date and or you can't update to the minimum required OS version, they have some bullet points here as well. If you're unable to update your device to at least the minimum OS, Android OS 7.0, you will not be able to continue using Fubo on that device. If you'd like to upgrade your device, see what devices can I watch Fubo on. There's a link there for supported devices, requirements, and links to purchase a new device. Continue to stream on additional devices. You have that support. Fubo. So that's the 3 points right there under that section. So again, this will be linked down below if you want to check this out. If you have an older device using the Fubo app. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you think your device will cover this update here? Will you be okay? Or will you need to get a new device? Check this out because you may get a surprise if you want to watch your favorite show or sporting event and then you go to watch it and then you get that error message. So we wanted you to be aware of this ahead of time here, so you have a little bit of time yet, almost about a month away. So this is good timing right now. So put your comments down below. If it's your first time here in the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know the next video drops from CFL-TECH. Also hit that thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. It's also greatly appreciated. What else is greatly appreciated is also sharing. So if you could do that, that would be great. Thank you for watching. frndly checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.